Don't got no one that back calling me splurge. Why me jump right off the curb? Make the sperm fly like a bird.
What's up, y'all? So I have not recorded a video in so long. I have not touched a camera in so long to record footage because my life has just been so busy and I've been getting used to being a mom and just figuring out everything. And now I feel like I have gotten a schedule down packed where I can start back recording, just, you know, giving y'all some good content and keeping y'all up to date with everything that's going on. So here's baby Chops. Say hey, baby Jace. Hey, Mr. Montclair. He's just chilling. He's about to be 2 months, y'all. That's why I'm like, I have to start recording. It was not gonna be a tutorial on how to cook chicken Alfredo. This is just really gonna be a video on me talking about my C-section and the recovery and what I went through in my experience. And if y'all have any questions about anything that I'm talking about, please leave them in the comment section. I do reply to comments. So let's talk about the first week when I got my C-section and how I was coming home and the steps I took and all that process. So when I first got home, I thank God that I had my niece with me. She was here to help me move around, clean up, take care of the baby, make bottles, cook, just do everything and help me out, and I was very grateful for that. The first week I was struggling to walk, I was struggling to bend down, I was struggling to just move in general. I was moving in slow motion, could not move fast at all, could not drive. It was just all bad, okay? It was all bad. Now the second week was me being by myself. I was able to move a little bit more. I was able to take care of my baby, but it was still hurting till I changed diapers because I have a diaper changing table. So I would sit him on that and it would hurt my back. Like I couldn't stand up for too long because my back would be hurting. So I was on pain meds too. So I was taking my 4 pain pills. Back was hurting. I had heating pads. I had a little binder. Yeah, so yeah, when you get a C-section you get a binder and that's supposed to help with your incision and stuff. First week I couldn't even put that on by myself. My niece had to help me. So yeah, second week it was just basically me getting used to being a mom and then seeing how it is doing things by myself. Now the third week was better because I had doctor's appointments for my baby and for me and stuff, so we had to get up, get in the car. So getting in the car, I still was moving slow, but not as slow as I was when I came home. Like I was probably moving like at a turtle's pace times 5 at the third week. But yeah, I had to move around because I had to go to doctor's appointments, just run errands because I'm here by myself and I needed things. So now I'm about to put some butter in the pan. I'm putting rolls in the oven. Like it's these rolls. I'm gonna show y'all what type of rolls I use. They're so good. But yeah, I'm making some rolls with this as well. Putting some butter in the pan for my chicken. I'm gonna saute my chicken. Minced garlic. So fast forward, we're like a month. We're a month in and my baby's a month. He was a month November 3rd. And it was going good. I was able to move around better. I 100% felt better probably the 7th week. I'm on the 8th week right now. So last week I started feeling like, okay, I'm good. You know, I can start working out. I can, you know, just live my life again. Like we back outside. We're back. So that's how I started feeling the 7th week physically wise. Okay, yeah, that's where my mind has been, just thinking about him and trying to stay focused on school because I am in school. So I'm trying to stay focused on school. I've definitely fallen behind on that. I'm just trying to get back on track with school, and also I'm about to start back work, so I have to balance schoolwork, a new baby, But I've been feeling good. Like, I've been looking better. Like, I haven't been in the depressed, like, oh my gosh, my life is over with phase. I know people do go through it. Thank God that I didn't. But yeah, I feel good now. Like, my body is getting back to normal. My face has went down tremendously. I'm just finna get back in my era, back in my mode. Okay, we're getting back. And that's probably why I've been so like happy. And then I've been with my baby and just seeing him grow and seeing him develop and just learning new things. Like, he holds his head up now. Like, he opens his eyes, he looks at his surroundings, he smiles when he hears my voice. It's just, now it's really a beautiful journey for me. So blessed and grateful and not stressed. Okay, stay stress free. Okay, and think on the positive side of the things. I know it's pretty hard, especially with dealing with a new baby. Yes, some things that I've been doing to like just keep myself up and, you know, happy is just taking care of myself. Now that I have a baby, I know how to take care of him, because I didn't have no kids before this, so I didn't know how to be a mom. But now that I kind of got the flow of things, it's, you know, I get to spend a little more time with myself. Thanksgiving, I did my makeup. I haven't did my makeup this, I was finna lie. I haven't did my makeup in a while, but Thanksgiving I did my makeup and I felt good. I looked good. I wore my natural hair, and I had like this cute hat in like a long dress with a slit. It was real nice. I looked really nice. I felt really good too. Yeah, we had a good Thanksgiving. I could show y'all his pictures. I'll probably insert a picture of him. We had a great Thanksgiving. After Thanksgiving, that's when I'm like, you know what, I gotta catch back up on school. Just start putting my focus on school and everything. I think I got it's November 30th, so this month is over with. Tomorrow is what, December 1st? We finna be in December 1st tomorrow. Oh wow, like time is just flying real fast, real fast. Okay, so now I need my water to boil. My water is not boiling. Making this chicken look real juicy, real good. Very simple meal. Chicken Alfredo is like a very basic meal. If you don't know how to cook chicken Alfredo, you don't know how to cook. Cause chicken Alfredo is like a starter meal. Like, that's how you start off in the kitchen cooking the Alfredo. If you have a situation like mine where you're going into it not knowing that you're about to have a C-section, when they do come in the room and tell you like, okay, like, you ain't got no other choice, I would say one thing that I would recommend, like, if you feel like you can keep going without getting a C-section, I say go for it. But I was in that hospital for so long, I was over it, and we tried everything. Like, we tried so many things and nothing worked. Like, nothing worked. So that was disappointing, but it's not like I have to go through that again. Like, as long as I heal properly, I can have a baby naturally. I think next pregnancy, what I would do differently is watch what I eat, because I ate crazy with him. Like, I ate any and everything. Like, go as long as you can. Like, try to do it as try to push, okay? Things that I have been doing, like, maintenance wise for my C-section, was I was wearing that binder. They're gonna give you a binder if you get a C-section. It's like a white band that goes around your stomach. It's supposed to like protect your incisions so it's not rubbing against things, and you know, all that stuff is supposed to just protect it and help it heal correctly. So I was wearing my binder. Also, while my stomach was going down, I was using this Burt's Bees Mama Butter. I can actually go get the butter. Burt's Bees Mama Butter. And it's like a belly butter. And I was using the Jergens too. I am going to be using jar sauce. That's why I said this is going to be a quick meal, because I ain't making nothing from scratch. I know a lot of people pre-cut their chicken. That's what I normally do, is I pre-cut my chicken. But today I'm just like, you know what, I'm going to chop it up as soon as it get done. That's what I'm going to do. Chop it up when it get done. This pasta needs to cook a little faster. That was pretty much like all I really had to talk about within my C-section experience. I know when I got the C-section, I talked about that in my labor and delivery vlog, so if y'all haven't seen that, go check it out. But I definitely talked about how I was feeling during that C-section process, and baby, oh, I felt like I was gonna die. Like, it was terrible, and I was up during it. I know I hear people say they get put to sleep during it, and some people say they're up. I was one of the people that was up, and I felt them pulling and tugging. I was on that epidural, so I think that's why they left me up. Ooh, now we're getting burnt. Okay. Not the chicken, but like the garlic that's in here. My chicken look good, y'all. Looks real good. Got a nice little color to it. I don't like that color. Yeah, I don't want my garlic to burn, so I'm gonna turn it off. Now I'm just cutting my chicken up, because I didn't cut it before. I'm just cutting it after. All my chicken is nice and chopped up. I kind of want to taste it. The type of stitches that I got dissolvable stitches, so I didn't have to go back and get like stitches removed or anything. Got the ones that dissolve. And then also part of maintenance that I didn't talk about was the cleaning process. They tell you not to like rub and scrub and all that stuff, so I just kind of like let the soap like drip down onto it. I kind of like dabbed it a little. I was trying to like wash my body, you feel me? So I was like dabbing a little bit. It hurt to touch it at all, so it's like really shouldn't even be messing with it. Like I shouldn't have touched it, but just dabbing it, you know, make sure the soap get in there, then rinsing all the soap out too. So after I had my baby, my body got really swollen. Like I was blown up like a balloon, like face blown up, legs blown up, everything was just blown up. I couldn't even, when I left the hospital, I couldn't even fit my shoes. I had Crocs, had my yellow Crocs. Couldn't even fit my yellow Crocs because my feet were too big, y'all. Like it was too big. So but yeah, my body was very swollen. They said it was like water weight, and it took probably 3 weeks for my body to go back down, for me to actually start seeing progress. 3 weeks for me to start seeing the progress. Like I was able to put on my shoes, no problem. I was able to put on pants and stuff. So I'm just checking to see if it's done. Yeah, it's done. That was done fine. That I use Sister Shumboots. I don't know, but these are a hit. Like, they're so good. I'll do 2 for now. I like to make these fresh every time I eat, so I'm only gonna make 2, and I'm gonna put some butter on top. I roast in the oven for 4 minutes on 350. Got my chicken. Oh snap, I forgot an ingredient, y'all. I'm so glad that it's not gonna take long for this to cook. The broccoli. Forgot the broccoli. So put broccoli in the microwave. I forgot about that. I don't know how I forgot about the broccoli. Sauce. I'm using the Bertolli garlic Alfredo. Mind y'all, I use garlic in my chicken, so you know this is gonna be all right. The whole jar. Okay, so here's another thing that I could talk about. Clothing. When you get home from your C-section, baby, you better invest in them nightgowns, the mama gowns, okay? Because I swear those were lifesavers. Or be naked, either or. But nightgown or nakedness is what you're gonna be doing, because clothes was enough for me. Like I was comfortable. I was very comfortable in my nightgown, so definitely I recommend a nightgown. Easy to slip on, easy to slip off. Remember, you're gonna be in pain. You can't bend, you can't do none of that. I don't know. Maybe some people who've had C-sections previously heal a little bit better because they know what they're going into. I didn't know what I was going into, so nice and buttery. Turn this hot oven off. That's why I'm like burning up. The oven is just like majorly hot. Okay. If y'all have any questions about anything that I said, please leave them in the comments. I will definitely reply. supply. Make sure you subscribe to continue to see the journey, because I'm just looking at pictures of my baby like, oh my gosh, he's grown up, his skin has changed, like, and I'm glad y'all get to witness the journey with me, and then I can go back and look at these videos, and he can even go back and look at these videos and be like, oh my gosh, like my mama did her thing, you know I did, son. But yeah, I think it's a beautiful thing. So definitely subscribe to keep up with the journey. I really appreciate y'all for showing me so much love. One thing I do want to say is I am thinking about doing a wig giveaway to get to 500 subscribers. Let me know if that sounds like something y'all will want. I'm going to season a little bit with garlic. A little garlic and a little Creole. Add the rest of my sauce. All right, y'all, so my food is done. I got my glass of wine. And here's the pasta with my bread. Let's taste. Trying to get like some chicken, broccoli. Oops. Chicken, broccoli, and pasta. Yeah. Yeah. It's gonna be a good meal. But thank y'all. I'm sorry. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure y'all comment, like, and subscribe. Comment on anything that y'all have questions about, or any advice y'all want to tell me, or anything y'all just have to say. Let me know in the comments. Like, thumbs up this video, and make sure y'all subscribe. Okay, we will have more videos rolling in, and let me know what y'all want to see. Like, if y'all have any requested videos y'all want to see about the baby, or you know, about me, or about anything y'all want to see me do, just let me know. But thank y'all so much for watching. Peace.
Spin on the